Hello, welcome to today's physics lesson. Today I'll be talking about pressure. Here is an example to get us started. We have two objects. The first object has a small surface area. The second one has a larger surface area. And we have a hammer hitting both objects with the same force. The question is, which one will be able to sink easier? But before I can tell you the answer, let's look at the formula of pressure. The formula of pressure is force divided by area, which is also newtons divided by meter squared. The unit of pressure is pascals, PA. So now that we know the formula, let's look back at our example. Looking at the first object that has smaller surface area, we can see that the area of contact is reduced. This means that there is more pressure, because the force of the hammer hitting the object with a small surface area will result in greater pressure than the force of the hammer hitting an object with a larger surface area. Here are some examples of high pressure used in our daily lives. Cutting. When cutting, we have to use a sharp object, for example a knife or an axe. If the object is sharp, the surface area is small, meaning there is high pressure. Another example is when we are hammering a nail. A nail has a small surface area, so it's easier to hammer it into a wall. Again, smaller surface area, higher pressure. Now let's look at an example of lower pressure. We have snowshoes. Snowshoes have a large surface area in order to not sink into the snow. If we have normal shoes, the surface area will be smaller, meaning they'll sink into the snow. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Look forward to the next video.